Nothing like chilling with my girls, just me and my divas, taking over the world. Divas, hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Divas, what's up divas, what's up divos? Welcome back to my channel. Y'all already know it's about to be a wig video, okay? Girl, I'm telling y'all, I love a good wig, especially when it's a good easy wig. Like, I'm all for a good wig, I'm all for a wig, but when it's a good wig, girl, then I'm all for it, okay? Let me just tell you about this company. I've worked with them a few times, not a whole lot, but enough time, and this is going to be the first time that I ever tried one of their boho lace front wigs. Now, girl, listen, let me just tell y'all something real quick. This wig is so cute that I was excited to put it on. Like, when I said I was excited to put it on, I was excited to put it on. Girl, listen, let me just tell you about the wig. First, I'm gonna show you what you get. So when they send you your package, you definitely gonna get an edge brush, some wig cap, a pamphlet, some hair barrettes. I think I'm about to give these to my granddaughter because they look real cute. Thank you, LWigs, because these gonna look real cute in my granddaughter's hair, okay? Gotta hook her up. Some clip, a comb, and tape, so that way you could take her down if you choose to. Now, this wig is ready to put on. What I mean by that is it's ready to put on. Not just ready, like you're gonna take it out the box and throw it on and be out the door. You will need to cut the lace, and that's it. Girl, isn't she cute? She is a box braid boho full lace with an envisaged strap drawstring in the wig on both sides and adjustable elastic bands, some combs, and she just ready to go. The cool thing about this wig is it's already bleached for you. It's already ready. Because I don't know about y'all, but I am not about to be sitting in nobody's chair for 2 to 3 days getting nobody's type of braids. I don't care if it was 2 box braids. You're not going to have me sit in your chair for more than an hour. I just cannot.
Y'all are going to jail, period!
A braided wig is just in my alley. Let me show y'all the inside of this cap real quick so that way y'all know what I'm talking about. She has these invisible straps on the side, so that way all you got to do is pull her and baby, do it like it's your bidet, because she's going to be stuck to the nape of your neck all day. And on the opposite side is some more of those clear and busy straps. Now, in the back, there is the comb, the elastic removable adjustable strap, and some combs in the front. Girl, they even gave you a comb in the middle of the front. Thank you very much, because we definitely gonna need that. This has already been bleached for you, and like I said, it's a full lace wig, so you could just part it wherever you want to. Not really part it because it is braids, but you know what I'm saying. It's scalpage all through this bad boy. So with that being said, let's just jump into this video, and we're gonna try her on and be about our business or our day or whatever you want about to do today, okay, girl? Because I'm about to put this wig on and look exceptional, okay?
And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. So maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes getting up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to
right, y'all. So let's just talk about this wig. Now, it is easy to put on. I do appreciate the fact that there isn't a bunch of baby hairs. There's no baby hairs at all on the unit. And I don't know about y'all, but I do not like all the baby hairs when they put them in the boho or any braided wig. Like, it just be way too many baby hairs. Now, I love the fact that it's truly bleached. You ain't got to worry about anything. You could part this bad boy wherever you want. But my opinion, I just feel like the braids could have been done a lot better, especially right here. This braid is like a little bit wonky along with these right here in the back. But if you got the patience, you can definitely rebraid it. It's easy to put on. You can make it tight as you want, suffocate your brain if you want. The hair is nice. I do like the color of it. I like the blend. I like how they did the color blend in it. I just feel like some of these braids really need to be done over so that way it can look a lot neater. This braid right here is a little bit wonky and it's not kind of like sitting flat. And that's what I'm looking for, it to look flat. But let's see, you could definitely pull this up.
I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space.
But I'm gonna just be honest with you. The braids are braiding, but I feel like they could have been done a lot neater and a lot better. Especially this braid right here, who definitely wants to say, hello, it's me, okay? It definitely needs to be a little bit neater braids in my opinion. And I would say that for this braid, and this braid. I would prefer the parts to be a little bit smaller. They do seem to tend to be a little bit big and more fuller if you want my opinion. Now, the color is gorgeous. I love the curled ends. It looks really nice. It's definitely long. I appreciate the fact that y'all gave us some clear drawstrings so that way if we want to put it up, you definitely can do so. Now, I don't know how good a glue you're going to be using if you decide to pull it up, but my suggestion would be to make sure you use a headband or a melting band when you're putting your bun or your ponytail in an updo so that way the sides will stay down. I love the fact that there's no baby hairs in this because, girl, listen, there be too many baby hairs in my opinion in these braided wigs. And me personally, I'm not just here for the baby hairs. I want the braided wig. I don't want to sit in nobody's chair for like 12 hours to 2 days. That's just not for me, okay?
Okay.
Now, the one thing that I will say about the unit is they did a great job with the construction of the cap. I just feel like there needs to be a little bit more time spent in braiding, okay? But I also feel like if the braids were like in a certain way, you would be able to flip the hair over a lot easier. I don't know about y'all, but I don't really like wearing my hair always in the middle part, especially with braids. Do like a good braided wig where I can just be able to flip it over and give myself different styles. I like the fact that it's a full lace. You can just pull it up wherever you choose to, but you may need to rebraid if you get a unit and the braids are not as tight. Like mine's right here. I need the neatest, tightest braids ever, girl, okay? I don't want my braids to look like they've been braided for too long, okay? But for the most part, you know what I'm saying, it's an easy wig. You can put it on and go, you know what I'm saying? It doesn't have any baby hairs or anything like that. It's not really my color because I just like a mixture of blonde. And I feel like this color blonde is washing me out. It's just too much blonde for me. This is what the back is looking like. Anyway, other than that, you ladies, I'll leave everything down below for LWigs. And that's about it, okay? Let me know your thoughts on this braid wig, and I will see y'all in the next video. I got to go. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one.